So this Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 11th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices trade above the 130 level. We didn't quite get up towards that 136, so we came in towards the 130.20s or so, from which we weren't able to hold above the 129.95. We had prices break down towards a 129.45, brief consolidation, foreseeing sell side momentum to take us below the 129, and also that 128.59. We came pretty close for a test of the 128 level. Didn't quite get there. Said from our lows, we've had a break, came pretty close to our test of 129 for holding support in around at 129.59 with the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. So horizontal level in around 128.59 along with the 400 period moving average. We've seen a pretty strong consistent buy side momentum here from that level. We've had prices trade through the 129, 129.45. We've had prices head up towards this 129.95. So if we can break and hold above the 129.95, we're then looking for prices to continue towards let's as follows. So beyond the 129.95, we're looking for a move towards a 130.60, 130.94. And if we are to see sufficient buy side momentum to take us beyond 130.94, we're looking for a move possible towards a 131.70, a very strong level marked out here in red. Also 130.60 tends to be a very strong level also. If however we do break down from where we are at present, from this 129.95, we're looking for a retest of 129.45, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards a 129. And if we do see a complete reversal of this buy side move that we've seen at the start of market open here this week, we're looking for prices to retrace all the way back down to us at 128.59 here on the Euro Yen. There still remains a slight bias to the upside here on the Euro Yen more recently, and we'll have a look at the higher time frame. So on the monthly chart, you can see here we've formed our lows, had higher lows, a sharp sell-off, brief pullback, another sharp sell-off. We did see the buy-side momentum come in into the near the end of last month, and we are seeing that momentum follow through here to the upside so far on the Euro Yen. The recovery here seems a lot stronger than the previous recovery. So previous recovery had these pretty small candles open to close with wicks to the upside, suggesting there was some sell-side momentum overhang. At present, we're trading near the candles highs. So we do seem poised for further upside continuation, especially over the short term here on the Euro Yen. We'll have a brief look here at the weekly chart. If once we just get the scaling correct, and from this weekly chart perspective, sharp move here to the upside, strong sell-off, brief pullback, further strong sell-off, but from prices heading down towards that 24.65. Our lows here in around 24.65. We've seen a pretty strong week. We've seen a buy side momentum come back into the market. We did trade above the 200 period moving average, but closed below it from a daily chart perspective. But so far today, we are trading back above the 200 period moving average on the weekly chart here. So we did close below it on the weekly chart perspective when we did trade above the 200 period moving average the week before last week. But so far we are seeing that strong bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we do seem poised for a further upside momentum continuation from a weekly chart perspective. The very next level that we are looking at would be a move up towards that 130. Where is that? In around that 133.50 or so, where we've had a previous swing here on the market, just there in around that 133.50. We'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we can see we've had a bit of a V-shaped reversal. So we've had a sharp sell-off, strong pullback recovery here, strong bullish recovery to the upside here on the Euro Yen. We've had a brief pullback, and again we're seeing that strong bullish momentum come back into the market. So we've not seen the follow through to the downside. Instead, we're seeing strong bullish buy side momentum. We did mention the level that we are looking at in around 33.50 or so. The actual level is 33.45. And from a daily chart perspective, I suppose we are looking for prices to head up to our most recent area of consolidation, which was just in around this area here. in around, let's just see if we can get this correct. That's in around that 31.20 area. So from a daily chart perspective, in around 31.20, we previously had a couple of tests before seeing the breakdown. So we'll look to see how prices react in around that level on the euro yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.